Technology does not stand still, and Subaru continues to push the envelope of in-car connectivity with a new generation of infotainment systems. Welcome to the series of videos about your new Subaru 8-inch infotainment system. If you need further detailed information regarding this system, please refer to the Multimedia System Manual or download a digital PDF copy from the Owner's Resource section of Subaru.ca. Topics in this video series include controls and settings, radio, apps, media, phone, GPS navigation, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So let's get started with this video's topic, media. There are 4 different forms of media the new generation 8-inch infotainment system can play: CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming, and auxiliary input. To access the media screen, either press the button below the touchscreen or select the media icon on the home screen. To use an audio CD, load the CD into the slot located directly below the touchscreen. The CD will begin to autoplay. On the main screen, the song title, artist, and album information is listed along with the album cover art. On the right of the screen is a browse button that, when pressed, brings up a menu that allows the browsing of audio tracks by artist, album, song, or playlist. At the bottom of the screen are standard controls which include shuffle, previous track, pause, next track, and repeat. Volume and track selection can be also controlled by using the 2 dials located on the infotainment system, as well as the audio controls mounted on the left of the steering wheel. To use an audio USB, plug the USB into one of the available USB slots. The audio files should self-load and begin to autoplay. To use Bluetooth audio, simply click the Bluetooth icon that should also display the paired device's name under it. The display and control for Bluetooth audio are the same as for CD and USB audio, with the exception of an extra icon on the right called Change Device. This allows the changing of Bluetooth devices previously paired to the vehicle, or the option to add a new Bluetooth device. The final media source is aux, which is short for auxiliary. This allows any audio device with an auxiliary output, like a headphone jack, to be played through the vehicle's audio system. So older devices that do not have USB or Bluetooth connectivity can still be used. This is the most basic of media connections, and only volume can be controlled through the vehicle's controls. All other functions must be controlled through the device itself. This concludes the how-to guide on media for the 8-inch infotainment system. We hope you enjoyed the video and better understand Subaru's new generation of infotainment systems.